Hi everyone, welcome to Desert Duo Adventures. My name is Liz, and today we'll be taking a quick peek at a hotel we stayed at prior to a cruise out of Orlando, specifically Hampton Inn & Suites, room 721, Orlando Airport at Gateway Village. We chose this hotel because of its proximity to the Orlando International Airport. As well, it did come with a hot breakfast, and in the evenings, it did have a bar. However, when we were there, the bar was not open. The hotel does show signs of aging, but it does provide you everything you'd need for a quick overnight stay. This room came with a king bed and a view of the pool. While there were outlets next to the bed, it did not include USB ports. The room did, however, include a coffee maker along with a refrigerator. The bathroom came with a walk-in shower and basic amenities such as shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotion. We really liked how close this was to the Orlando International Airport, and we did appreciate that within walking distance there were several restaurants. If you're looking for a basic hotel with a free hot breakfast and a clean room, this is definitely a good choice for you. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And if you like what you see, feel free to like or subscribe. Thanks for watching.